Well, I'm winding up a back road right round the mountainside. Bellbirds and Blackboys racing on by. Sun in the sky, feeling I could fly down in my valley home. As a boy I used to wander across the great divide, lie around and wonder about the world outside. Son of a farmer with a head full of dreams, sorry Dad, this ain't the life for me. So I loaded up the Falcon with everything I owned, set out to find the answer beyond my valley home. I can still remember just how it felt that day, walking out the front door and driving away. I was winding up a back road right round the mountainside, Bellbirds and Blackboys racing on by. Sun in the sky, feeling I could fly, heading out on my own. Well, I swung on down to Sydney to check those city lights. All quite impressive, but I missed the stars at night. So up the coast I wandered to a surfer's paradise. Couldn't give a 4X, but the girls sure were nice. Out to Kalgoorlie, working on the mines, making lots of money by spending all my time sitting in the front bar just drinking like a fish. Although I loved the company, I couldn't help but wish I was winding up a back road right round the mountainside, Bellbirds and Blackboys racing on by. Sun in the sky, wish that I could fly back to my valley home. Track I've covered every stone, trying to find my destiny. And I'm thinking that I've been and had enough of a roam, and there's really only one place for me. Yeah, winding up a back road right round the mountainside, Bellbirds and Blackboys racing on by. Sun in the sky, feeling I could fly, because I'm heading home. Yeah, just winding up the back road right round the mountainside, Bellbirds and Blackboys racing on by. Sun in the sky, feeling I could fly, because I'm heading home. Oh yeah.